Gonna love this, everybody. I've got a new template for you. This one is really exciting because it offers a lot of different indicators that seem to go with each other. If you notice on the chart, we have a trend envelope chart indicator, which I really like because it's pretty smooth. It gives you some nice long directions. You know, it stays you in, keeps you in the direction for a long time. And we also now have an ATR indicator. Now this one's a multi-time frame. You can adjust everything on it. And when it says it has arrows, it actually has down here, see that white and the white? It tells you when it's starting to break out of the boiler band area. So you can see, you know, these markers on here when it's time to, hey, that's an indication we need to either take profit and get out or keep a really close eye, tighten up the stops on it. So as you can see, if you would have got out here, you could have got back in when it went back outside, got out here, got out here, any of those spots, you would have made some major pips on these. So let's look and see. If we get in here when that turns red, or similarly, what if we got in clear down to bottom? We said, hey, I want to jump in, and we walked out all the way down. We're looking at 216 pips. But most likely you'll know by the indicators that, hey, that's a time to set your stop loss or get ready for a reversal. So you would have waited till you've got the new reversal signal, and you would have got that up here at the top. And now we're looking at 271 pips. So, you know, this is great for any time frame. It includes the BB or boiler band um, color indicators on the chart. So that gives you a good indication that you're still in the profit. You could have stayed in that just following the color and been pretty good. And you notice on here, you can eliminate a lot of these little ups and downs if you put a trend line on here. So if we were to put a trend line on there and catch most of the major lows, I know some of them went out a little bit, you wouldn't have got back into this trade about here. We could have done the same thing on here, this one. You might have got out here, but you would know for sure those are times to get out. So you're still making profit if you go by the trend lines, and it keeps you from having some of this whiplash. But um, I really like this indicator. I just want to show you it works. That was a 1 hour time frame. It works on a 4 hour time frame. Look at those nice trends. And we've got uptrends, downtrends, and according to the boiler bands, we're still in a downtrend. So, you know, this is a little bit more accurate. This boiler band that I've got on here is set up for a specific time frame. That's why I think. Let's see. No, it's not. Okay. Well, it's just got maybe set a little bit stronger. You can actually adjust that down and say maybe we want our length at 10 and the moving average to be simple. You can see how that changes, gets you in and out of your trades a little bit sooner. You can adjust those to your preference on how you trade. But these bands and the ATM and the trend indicators really are awesome. You know, you would have, if you're trading a 4 hour, you might not have those trend lines on here. You might have something more like, you know, you've got a lower trend band there, maybe even clear down into here. So then you would be getting out here. Now you're going to stay short for a while. So, and as time goes on, you can keep changing those trend lines, which I really like. Um, let's get that one back up here. We might want that trend line to reflect this long-term trade. And you can see how that's really a breakout above, but it went right down below again. So it's time to get out. So, and obviously we've got a little whiplash here too, but this is going trending down right now. So I would still only be taking sells at this point. So when it hit the top indicator, I'm ready to sell and get back out of that. Or watch this to go red. You can just keep an eye on it. When your ATR turns red, it's time to get in as a sell. So you can do a lot with this one. Just, you know, to give you an idea what it might look like if we were to put it on, you know, different charts. Back that up so you can see it a little bit. It's got a nice long uptrend, gets you back out. Nice long uptrend, gets you back out. And of course, you can use the envelope indicator. You've got some nice long trends there too. So this particular package really has 2 or 3 really good indicators that shows you. Up here we got a fractional indicator, really good indicator that shows you when, hey, you're way past the oversell or overbuy point. It's time to get in or out. Set to pull up your stops so you don't lose any money. So you've got a little bit of everything with this. I hope you enjoy it. This is the ATR indicator. You'll find it in my list. And check it out and use it if it's going to be profitable. Make some money. Thanks again for watching.